greetings to you all. Welcome once again to my channel. I hope you guys are doing fine. And how is your day going? I hope everything is good by you. As you can see, everything is really going fine. We thank God, and the day is bright and beautiful. We thank God for that. So if you are new here on my YouTube channel and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please click on that red subscription, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also turn on the notification bell so that when I do put in a new video, you can easily get notified. To tell you guys, subscribing is free, turning on notification is free. It simply means when I put in a new video, you can see it without you searching for me or looking for a way to see my video. So subscribing is free. It's just like following people on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. That is the same way it works here. So guys, without me wasting much of your time, let me just tell you guys the reason why we are here. So this recipe today, guys, is just all about how to gain back your womanhood. If you want your VJ to look more tightened, just the way it was before you put to bed, or if you are a single girl, you want to tighten up your VJ, this recipe is just what you need. So VJ loose can easily cause by infection, different type of infection, guys. It can also cause loose VJ when you haven't put to bed. But if you are a mother having a child, it causes your loose VJ. So what to do if you want to tighten it up? This recipe is just what you need. As you can see, I have it here, and I will just go ahead and tell you guys what I had to my turmeric to make it like this. And it is very simple for you to do this recipe. You can also do it, take it just 1 glass in a day. Continue doing it. It's just a normal drink, guys. It's not going to cause you any side effect, or it's not going to give you any pigmentation on your skin, or it's not going to make your VJ to have bad odor. But what you just need to do is just for you to drink it, keep doing it, take it once in a day. Don't apply it in your VJ. So guys, without me wasting much of your time, let's just go straight to the remedy section. Let me show you guys how I did this particular juice you are seeing right now. Is very effective and it works really good. So now let's just begin. So guys, now let's just begin with the recipe. So first of all, what we will need is turmeric. So we'll just go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of turmeric. So I'm actually using this particular one, guys. If you want to use the raw, which is organic one, it is good, but this one I'm using right now is the organic and is 100% natural. So the next thing I will do, I will just go ahead and add my hot water. If you want to boil your turmeric and water together at the same time, it's still good, but I prefer to do mine this way. So what I will do right now, I just have to leave it for some minutes and let it cool a little bit before we can add what we will add to it. So guys, now let me tell you what you need to do. If you want to tighten up your parts, you just have to do this. It is really good, and most especially those that just put to bed. If you are a nursing mother, there is no side effect. It really works good, guys. So what I will do now, I will just leave it for some minutes like I said before. As you can see, the water I had before wasn't enough. I just have to put more water. So now I have to leave it for like 10 minutes before I can mix what I want to mix with it, guys. So just keep watching. Let's do this together. So guys, this is how it looks right now. That is why I prefer to use hot water to melt my turmeric. So the next thing I will do, I will just go ahead and filter it in case there is any particles. So guys, that is just it. As you can see, there is nothing inside because I made it with hot water. That is why I recommend it for you guys to as well make yours with hot water, not cold water. So what I will do right now, guys, what we will be adding, the next thing we will be adding is honey. If you want to add honey, I will advise you to go for the organic one, not mix honey, probably the one they mix with sugar or any other thing. You just have to go for the real honey, because this one I'm using particularly, guys, is from Bright Salmon honey. It's really good. It's original honey, organic honey. I got it from supermarket. You can also look for it in case you want to use this, or if you have anyone you are using already that you know it is good, you can continue using it. So as you can see, I just added my 1 tablespoon of honey. So this particular one, guys, is what I use. I use the full pack of this because I bought it much just for this remedy. So this is how it look, guys. As you can see, I just have to stir it together. So if you are taking this, take it just 1 glass in a day. Don't apply it in your parts, just sip it just like this. So guys, this is it. This is how it looks. Like I said before, make sure you are doing it with warm water, not that hot. So this way you can easily mix everything together and sip it just that way. So if you are doing it much, as you can see, mine is really, I do it excess, guys. I just have to put this inside my fridge for the next day. So guys, that is just it. And do this, take it just 1 glass in a day, nothing less. There is no side effect, there is nothing like side effect, guys. It do work magic, and that is just it. That is all you need to do. It's very, very simple, isn't it? So guys, if you love this video, please don't forget to share and try this recipe. And please, if it worked for you, don't forget to come back to this video and drop your comment. May God bless you as you do so. Share to your family, share to your friends, and subscribe to my channel. And please, 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 please do follow me up on my new YouTube channel. That channel, I do hair. I'll definitely be showing you guys how I did this hair myself. Makeup and every other thing is just in there. Tina's Diary series. That is my new channel, guys. It's all about beauty. Please go subscribe. May God bless you as you do so. Do have a blessed day. Bye bye.